Watch the full video at the end. This happened in March, when guy came out about Somizi, this Somizi that, and all of us were like, who the heck is this guy? Who is this guy? You know, like we were there protecting Somizi, like, yeah, this guy is jealous of Somizi. Who's this guy? He come here and talk nonsense about Somizi. And then boom, Somizi shows us the true color. And remember, don't forget, when the Ben 10 came out, it says, yeah, in my wedding, in my marriage, Somizi this, Somizi that. We were there, like, hey, when Somizi is big, man. Somizi was there fighting for us, you know, for freedom, you know, Sarafina, you know. And now, boom, Somizi showing us flame. I just wonder what's gonna happen in Somizi's life one day. Like what happened to Kaizer? People says, yeah, it's going to happen to Somizi one day. Watch the full video. Boom.
I used to respect uSomizi. I used to respect uSomizi. I used to love uSomizi. But what he did or she did, I don't know. What she or he or what. We are telling uSomizi. uSomizi uzozenza unathi ku-president. Uzozenza who is Somizi? Who is Somizi? Uzozenza u-president. Thixo, njengibecinga ubhetele uyamuyisa pha phansi uThixo. Kufutshane noSomizi bamxelele uba singadibani endleleni kweentsuku, betha ngempama. Aba ngempama bangambona endleleni uSomizi.
Good morning. Happy Thursday. Awuthi athende laba abathi umuntu uyasiphakamisa makacomplain ngalo sweet Guluva wena. Go take a dive, go take a hike, go check where the sun shines or doesn't shine. Nisile nini? Nijwayele ukubhulisha abantu, nijwayele ukubhulisha ama-celebrity. And some people are complaining about sweet Guluva just because one they're not famous. You're not saying bayasiphakamisa. If that means ngasiphakamisa, for heck, this is my page. I'm not going to allow people to bully us. Nifuna ukuncengwa. The next thing, mawathi sinivotile kuma-awards uzobasifuna. Never. But mina, one thing for sure, I stand my ground. If anyone knows me, uyazi ukuthi mina angiziphakamisi. I'm very humble, but I don't take bullshit and I don't take bullying very lightly. So if on a problem ukuthi ngithi angifuna usweet Guluva wenu la page lami, go take a dive. Hang. Yebo, yes. Ashem Magunyiwe once. So I see a lot of people, the sweet Guluva fans, ne? Hey guys, nema entitlement issues. Yo. And nimoshwa ila bantu laba ama celebrity la who don't have a backbone to stand up for themselves. I still stand, Uguti. You are not going to come to my page and bully me into voting for something that I don't know or something that I don't watch. And if I disagree with you, you're going to threaten me, Uguti. We know uSomizi 28, we are launching something. We know uSomizi on a concert as I trust me. Watch. You were never my person in the first place. As I've said this before, guys. What did not make me will never break me. If your support comes with form of abuse, emotional abuse and bullying, keep it. My people know me and my people will support me. You are not my person. If you don't threaten me, humble and the support that you've never even given to me. I am launching something at 28. It's going to be a success because you were never a part of the people that are supporting me and that know my heart and that know my intentions. So I still repeat, I don't need it. I'm going to have a concert called Shades of Pink, Somizi Shades of Pink, in August. It will be sold out without you. I need just because nifuna ukubhulisha abantu into doing something that they don't agree with or they don't even know about. So when I say to you, stop bombarding us with your vote for Guluva and Tontoni, seniyakwata nithi zombonisa uSomizi, watch the space. Ilife yaqhubeka ngaphandle kwakho nithamze zabo uNkulunkulu nina. Suka hambani nozihenga futhi saphinda futhi hambani nothola isihlahla somewhere. Please. Watch the space. Niphinde niqhubeke niluke nisidina la. Hayibo, sasavele labo. AboNkulunkulu basemhlabeni. Sisi ngiyajabula. Hayi ngiyajabula bo. Hayibo. Imagine A person that has never even bought a ticket to your show or bought anything from the product that you're selling, so we're gonna watch. You've always been a hater anyway in the first place. I don't need you. I don't need you. I know who I need, and my people know me. Sharp la, I dlali katarla. I dlali katarla. You on the